Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a ninja star. You will need 2 square sheets of paper. Once you have got your 2 square sheets of paper, you fold one sheet in half. And then you take it out, and then you take one side and fold it into the middle. And then you do the same to this side. And then you do the same to this piece of paper. You fold it in half. And then you take this side and fold it into the middle. And on the other side. And then you fold both pieces of paper in half. And then you take the corner and place it to the other corner to make it into the half again. And then you take it out again. And then you take one corner and fold it to make a triangle like this. And then you do it to the other side as well. And you take the same corner. So if you take the left corner, then you take the left corner of this as well. And then fold it over as well. And then you take this and you fold it again to make another triangle, and it has to go into the middle. So if that is the middle, then it will be here. And then you do it to this side as well. You will take it like this. And then we set this aside and we do the same to this. You fold it in half. And then take it. And this time you do the opposite corner. So in this one you did the left corner, so you do it to the right corner. So the right corner, you take it and fold, and then you take the right corner and fold it again on the other side. And then it will be the exact same thing like this, but it will be the other way, so it will be like this. So you're again making a triangle, maintaining it in half the space, and you do it on this side as well. And then this is the tricky bit. You took this and you lie it down so it doesn't have the cut in the middle. And then you take this and then it does have a cut in the middle. You take this corner and you fold it into this space like this. And then you take this corner, so you're again making triangles, and you fold it in to this space here. And then you flip it over and you take this and you fold it into this cut. And you take this and fold it into this cut. And they are meant to be triangles. And here is your ninja star. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.